How to download and install Quotex app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install Quotex app. Now Quotex is a place where you can pump up your skills of your trading to the next level. So this is how you can download the app. First thing you will need to do is open up your app store. After you open up your app store, head over to the search bar that is on the bottom right. You can also do this on your Google Play Store, guys. And after you're there, simply search for Quotex. And after you search for it, this is the app that you want to get. Tap on get, and then you will get an install option. Tap on install, and your Quotex app will get downloaded. As you can see, it has already started downloading. While it does that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. And that is how you install the app, guys. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.